Okay, so hello everyone. Today's topic is write a C program to find sum of even numbers in a given range. Means we are going to ask user that you give us the range and we are going to add all the even numbers only within that range. Okay, so here is the program. Hash include stdio.h, that is the header file required, and hash include conio.h means console input output.h. Okay, so we have used two header files in this program. Now the next thing is void main function, this one. Okay, so open the bracket, and for this program we require some variables. Okay, so one by one I will tell you the meaning of each and every variable and why we have used. So first thing is I, because in our program we are going to use for loop, and for that we require one variable, and that's why we are using I as a variable. The second thing is S and E. So S indicates the start limit and E indicates the end limit. And then at the end sum, because obviously we are adding all even numbers, so we require sum or add. For addition purpose we require one variable, and in the next line only we are writing the initial value of sum, that is sum equal to 0. Okay, so printf enter the lower limit. Now what is the meaning of enter the lower limit? It means you enter the starting limit. Okay, so scanf and %d, and we have used one variable for that, that is s. Same way we require the ending limit also. Okay, so enter the upper limit and scanf %d, and it is e. Now if condition. Now the question is why if condition? Why this? Because suppose for example here you enter initial, or you can say that starting limit as 1. So now we know that 1 is odd number, not the even number, and our program heading is to find the sum of even number. So it should start with even number. But if we enter starting limit as 1 here, s equal to 1. Okay, so what we are doing, if 1 modulo 2 not equal to 0, obviously it is not equal to 0. So we are incrementing the value of s or starting limit by 1. So it is 2. Okay, so now here s equal to 2. Now for loop, the main part of this program, that is for I equal to s, I less than equal to e, and I plus equal to 2 means what? It will increment the value of I by 2 every time, not by 1, but it will increment the value of I by 2 every time. So we will start from here, I equal to s. So what is the value of s right now? 2. So I is also equal to what? 2. So initial value for I equal to is what? 2. Then I less than equal to e, which means 2 less than equal to our ending limit. For example, if it is 20 ending limit, then 2 less than equal to 20. So here the condition is true. So it will go inside of this for loop. And inside the for loop, we have only one statement, that is sum equal to sum plus I. And here the initial value of sum is what? 0. Which means sum equal to 0 plus value of I, right now it is 2. So sum equal to what? 2, and then closing bracket. So here this closing bracket indicates you have to go back here, that is I plus equal to 2. We are going to increment the value of I by 2. So now the new value of I is what? 4. After that we will check the condition here, 4 less than equal to 20. That is our assumption, that ending limit is 20. That is our assumption. So 4 less than equal to 20, again condition is true. So again it will go inside of this for loop. Then sum equal to what? Sum plus I. Now here the sum is not 0. The previous value of sum is what? 2. Okay, so what will happen here? Sum equal to 2 plus what is the current value of I? 4. So what is 2 plus 4? 6. So what is the new value of sum now? 6. Then closing bracket. So again go back here. Increment the value of I by again 2. And likewise it will be inside the loop till 20 because our ending limit is what? 20. And likewise it will keep on adding. At the end condition, if the condition is false, it will come out from this for loop, and after the for loop one simple statement, that is printf, and we are printing the answer, and our answer is stored in which variable? Sum. Okay, and then let's see it and close the bracket. So here you can see output, enter the lower limit, for example 1, enter the upper limit, for example 20. So sum of even numbers between this range is nothing but what? 110. If you want, you all can calculate also. So thank you all.